The RealityWorks Geriatric Simulator is used to help students gain an understanding and empathy towards the elderly. This is a wearable suit paired with comprehensive curriculum used in courses for health occupations, nursing training, human growth and development, family and consumer sciences, and more. The included curriculum is a 13-hour standard-based curriculum used to help facilitate discussions on aging and the elderly. It also has suggested student activities to do while wearing the suit that involve daily tasks like walking up the stairs or opening a pill bottle. The parts and pieces with the suit show physical effects of aging, such as loss of mobility, stooped posture, fatigue, and joint stiffness. It also comes with a set of 6 visual impairment glasses, including common eye ailments like glaucoma and cataracts. Contact your account manager today for more information on the Geriatric Simulator and other RealityWorks learning tools.